Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to access local channels on Philips TV. Please keep watching this video. For the first step is connect the HD antenna. Plug the cable from your HD antenna into the in or TV antenna port on the back of your Philips TV. Position the antenna near a window or a high location for the best reception. Second step is open the TV settings. Press the home button on your Philips remote. Go to settings or setup. Select channels or channel installation menu. Names vary by model. Third step is start a channel scan. Select a search for channels auto program or a channel scan. Choose antenna instead of cable. Select the start and wait for the scan to finish. Save the detected channels when prompted. Fourth step is watch local channels. After the scan is complete, use the channel up and down buttons or open the TV guide to watch available local channel. The channel you receive depend on your location, antique quality and signal strength. Here are some troubleshooting steps. If your Philips TV does not find any channels, make sure the antenna cable is securely connected. Select antenna instead of cable before scanning. Move the antenna closer to a window or a higher location. Remove the splitters or connect the antenna directly to the TV. Run the channel scan again after reposition the antenna. Final tip, an HD antenna is the easiest way to watch free local channels on your Philips TV without cable subscription. If you move to a new location or a broadcaster, add new channel, simplify perform another auto channel scan to update your channel list. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below. Thank you.